Hello everyone. Today we're talking about the vinyls, actually second-hand vinyls or sometimes new vinyls. I'm buying few is not straight, almost impossible to play with them. For example, I show you fews. That one like that. That one second-hand. Look how wavy. The needle will be jumping and possible to play with them. Let's see another one. I was used one. Yeah, so I have a few that people keep it in the... Wow, that's waving. How much? People keep it in the feet or something, I don't know. And then waving after. But don't worry, wow, that big. Wow. Today I'll try to show you one of the solution how to make it straight and make it again playable your vinyls. Oh, that's not bad, but still a little bit. Normally what you can use in the at home, just find a heat-proof 2 pieces of glass, 35 centimeters by 85 centimeters, heated up your oven to 60 degrees, heat it up and leave it for hour, and after waiting for cooling down, and that will be done. That's the used one, but that was a big surprise. I bought a new one as well, vinyl, and then waving as well. Brand new. Here we go. Not bad, but still. There are plenty with some waving issues. Yeah, that's bigger. Okay, yeah, so that's the one reason, solution. 2 pieces of glass and make in the oven at home. But I show you something easiest for me actually solution. So have a look. Right, so this is my solution actually. I use the one for the heating press for t-shirts, but you can use this as well for vinyls. Easy. Just how I said, remove that orange rubber or whatever color you have. Yep. Prepare 2 sheets of paper, cooking paper, whatever, not oils, just not normal paper, because normal paper is stick to your vinyls probably. No, I prefer cooking paper or transfer paper, whatever. Okay, let's put in then the worst one. No, look over there. It's okie dokie. Let's stick the vinyl in the middle. Closing press. Actually, make an adjustment of the pressing. Not too much, just need to gently. Because we don't need to make pancakes, we need to just set the vinyls. Okay, let's switch on. Let's set up the temperature of 60 degrees. Let's heat it up. There will be waiting time for heating up. After heating up to 60 degree roughly, we switch off the machine, the heating, waiting for cooling down in the closing position. After we take it out the vinyl and check the first results. Not always lag. Sometimes this is very difficult to straighten out the vinyls. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's success, sometimes not. But I try a few times. When I haven't, like, yeah, I tried that before. So one going after this totally success and playable and everything fine, and then one of them I tried 5 times to straighten. Is a playable, but looks not really like a brand new one. So a little bit waving, still waving, but it's playable, so that's success. Okay, the heating is going up. Is it 47 now? That's waiting. Yep. Actually, pressure is not too much, because we don't need to make a flat unplayable pancake. just a bit, just a little. Yeah. $51. Basically I stopped the clock, so don't worry about that display. You just look over the temperature display. Waiting. When I go into 60, I'll have them for today maybe. That's no big one, that's the flathead. Not 180 gram. 180 gram we need to hold a little bit more, but they're going easier to straight. I left for 2 minutes, switch off, waiting for cool down, and I show you results. And we put in another one as well. Right, after a long time that's cooling down. So let's see the first results. Open it. Oops. That paper as well is not great, but it's sticky a little bit on the edge. But the vinyl is big better than it was. Have a look. I need to just clean that paper from there. This is sticking over, but that's no problem. And great. Let's see how it's looking on the turntable. Guys, I'll show you quickly. Oops, lighting. Previously that was wave so much. Now is much better. A little bit waving on there, but it's playable now. Not like jumping like that. It was big, huge jump on there. Yeah. let's put it back, that vinyl. We see after second section what's happened. Okay, we need the lighting. I'm just a little bit worried about that paper, but yeah, that's good result. Stand around, sticking around. Actually, let's wait till we're heating up. Now it's a 30 something degree because it's hot today. Yeah, outside is almost 41 degrees. Yeah, so let's wait in heating up again. Now this session we stay in the machine like I'm planning maybe half an hour, heating up for 60 degrees. After switching off, cooling down, take it out, and that should be perfect. But first result is great. Yeah, I'm happy. Job done. Again, if you like that video, thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you again. Bye.